Hi everyone, it's Jeremy. Today we're going to do an unboxing and take a first look at that smartphone that I was really happy to receive, the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. It was announced in China 2 weeks ago and it is already here thanks to my partner Trading Shenzhen. Sorry about my voice, it's 40 degrees out there, but I still found a way to be sick, but I couldn't make you wait any longer. As usual, I have other Xiaomi products coming, so remember to subscribe so you don't miss them, but especially to see future videos on this Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and we'll start right away. The smartphone arrived in this black box. You can see the name of the smartphone and the mention of the partnership with Leica. As you can see, I took the 12GB version of RAM and 266GB of storage in LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. Since I received it from Trading Shenzhen, the phone has been checked before shipping to avoid any manufacturing problems. The Google Play Store is installed, and if you don't like it, nothing prevents you from resetting it directly. For the accessories, we have a SIM drawer ejector, a flexible plastic shell, and we can clearly see the location planned for the photo module, which is really huge. You then have a 67-watt charger, here in the Chinese version, but an adapter is provided and a USB to USB-C cable is included. That's a classic packaging and accessories for Xiaomi. If we move on to the smartphone, it is made of a leather-like coating. Here it is the black version, and there is also a green version, and the phone is IP68. The phone module is really huge. There is a Leica branding in the corner and a pretty golden border all around the photo module. There is a camera aspect with this round module, the sensor information on the bottom, and the mention of the 1-inch sensor, the Sony AMX989. For the other two sensors, it's a 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 48MP telephoto sensor. It feels good in hand and it seems a bit heavy with its weight of 225 grams. On the top there is a microphone, an infrared sensor and a speaker signed Harman Kardon. On the right side the volume and power buttons, on the bottom a second speaker, a USB-C port, a microphone and a dual SIM drawer, and nothing on the left side. We can clearly see the photo module coming out of the body with this view. If we take a quick look, once the phone is on, we have a nice 6.73 screen, an LTPO AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz. I already have updates pending, but the smartphone is coming with MIUI 13 and Android 12 and it is equipped with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. You can set the display to Full HD Plus or WQHD Plus, and for the refresh rate you can leave it in automatic mode or force it to 60, 90 or 120Hz. If we take a look at the photo video part, we can choose between two color modes, Leica Vibrant and Leica Authentic. Then we can find the usual modes, photo, video, where you can film up to 8K 24fps, a shooting mode for document, a pro mode for photo and video, a portrait mode, a night mode, and various additional modes like time lapses, supermoon, or even multicam. Of course, we'll take a closer look in the coming video, but make sure to subscribe to my Instagram account if you want to see some pictures. For the price, as I said it, I bought it on the Trading Shenzhen site the day after its release, and it is currently sold between €1,000 and €1,277 depending on the version chosen. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. For the delivery, I received it in less than 2 weeks, and you can also have the Xiaomi 12S and 12S Pro available if the Ultra seems a bit expensive for you. For the moment, these 3 models are not announced outside of China. Some are convinced that they will be, others are not, but as long as we have no official presentation, nothing is certain. I just unpacked it with you, so for the moment I can't tell you if it is expensive or not for this module, but from the other tests I've seen while waiting, the photo part is really successful. If you have any questions or things you want to see in the future tests, leave them in the comment section and I see you in the next video.